cold air we've been talking about, it's fueling more snow squalls across the Northeast. And, this is not going to be a one-hit wonder. We're going to be watching out for these snow squalls for a couple more hours. We're looking into parts of New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, all in the bullseye for fast-hitting bursts of snow. Craig will be breaking down the definition of a snow squall coming up, but it's important to remember that these systems come up really fast, and you can get caught in whiteout conditions if you're not careful. So take it very slow on the roads over the next couple of hours, especially if you are in these areas that are going to get hit. So what we have as our setup here is this nice Arctic air that's behind this front. It is going to be cold, bitter cold air. But these snow squalls are going to potentially be building up and forming just along this front. So there'll be quick hits, but when they come through, they can come through with a vengeance. I mean, these can be really heavy snow rates at times. It won't last too long, but with those gusty winds, it could cause some serious problems for those that are going to be on the roadways. And looking at what we're dealing with right now, we can see a little bit of these snow squalls trying to form at this point, just off the edge of the coast of Canada, I should say, and moving off the Great Lakes as well over into Buffalo. You may start to see some more of that snow falling. And again, snow squalls will be possible to form later on today as well here, Craig. And I want to mention, too, Buffalo right now, maybe seeing some of that lighter snow. Again, it's not going to last too long, but it is something to be on a high alert for, because once these things come through, it can be really, really scary. You can't see anything on those roads.
And I'll tell you, they can travel quite a distance from some of the water source. And to your point, man, it is dangerous. Visibility drops quickly as well. It's something we were watching since yesterday. Today, we do have these winter weather advisories in place off of the Great Lakes, downwind of Lake Erie and Ontario. But you'll notice places across upstate New York, some interstates will be affected by this. Here's a look at Syracuse, New York. I love these images because we can see the ground truth, the picture of what's actually happening. And then you see the radar. You can see a couple bands moving in and around Syracuse University right now. There's two, one on the left and one on the right, one to the east, one to the west.
Yes, you can see a little bit, maybe even a couple of those flakes that were trying to pop up on that camera. I think those were some of the flakes. But, I mean, even looking into those temperatures, right? It's going to be, I mean, looking at those videos, too, the temperatures are going to be very chilly, very cold behind this front. But, of course, we're not going to see a ton of snow with this, maybe 1 to 3 inches in those more populated areas. Syracuse could pick up 1 to 3 inches thanks to some of that lake effect. But, I mean, this is going to be a quick punch. But, again, this is going to, it could be impactful on those roads, especially as folks are trying to get out this morning. I mean, looking into the morning hours when you're trying to get out to work, to school, 7 a.m. and on, we're watching out for these things, these snow squalls that could start to pop up towards the northeast as well. And I mean, this is going to potentially continue into the afternoon too here, Craig.